Hey guys, this is part 3 of our little like cleaning series. So today we're going to go through the drawers and we're going to finally clean them. So yeah, I'm probably, my goal is, or my plan is that we're going to go through the drawers, clean them all, and then do any other fine tuning that we need to do. And then yeah, we'll show you the finished look at the end. But yeah, for the first couple of bits it's just going to be probably like the little noises, so let's get into it. Okay, that's our first drawer done. I'm kind of looking at it, I'm like, is it even making a difference? Like, I don't know, but whatever. I feel like, yeah, obviously there's some stains and stuff, but I feel like it's still like a little bit cleaner than what it was. So if we look in this one definitely needs a good clean, as I'm sure you can see. Alright, let's just do it again. Okay, that is our second drawer done. This has taken so long, like, because it's just, I feel like, so tedious. Like, you obviously have to pull everything out, and honestly, glitter is like the bane of my existence. Like, I love it so much, but it's just stuck in there. But I feel like it does look better. Like, it obviously looks a bit cleaner. It's just nice. Like, it's been so long since these drawers have had a deep clean. So yeah, those ones are done now. I do have a whole another unit to do. So I don't know if I should do them on camera or off camera. I'm gonna have to decide. But yeah, we are getting through, and like just walking in here feels so much nicer because it's so much, like, I can actually move in here, which is lovely. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is how the room is looking. It is so much better. That is the ground. I still need to vacuum, but I just wanted to get this video up for you guys. I just need to put this camera stuff away, and then the floor is completely, like, yeah, clean. So I'm really happy with how it looks. I think it looks so much better, obviously, and I'm just so happy that I can actually walk in here now and move around and everything. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.